true. Love is what we share and do. Love our family, friends and all. Love makes us happy, big and small. With loving hearts and smiling face, love fills every little place. L is for lion, brave and strong, king of the jungle all day long. With a loud roar and golden mane, walking proudly on the plain. But lions rest and care too, strong and gentle both are true. L is for lamp, shining bright, chasing away the dark of night. When the sun goes fast asleep, lamp stays on for us to keep. Read a book or draw a line, lamp light helps us feel just fine. L is for leaf, green and small, growing on branches big and tall. Leaves dance when the wind blows by, waving hello to the sky. Leaves give air for us to breathe. Thank you, leaf, from tree to leaf. L is for laugh, laughing makes us who we are. When we laugh, our worries go, hearts feel light and faces glow. Laugh with friends and family too, laughing makes the day feel new. L is for lemon, yellow and sour, small round fruit with special power. Add to water, fresh and nice, healthy drink with a zingy spice. Sour face but healthy cheer, lemon helps us feel good here. L is for learn, every day, learning helps us grow and play. Letters, numbers, shapes and more, learning opens every door. Ask questions, try again, learning makes us smart again. L is for little, tiny and sweet, little steps make big dreams meet. Little ants and little stars, little kids can go so far. Never think you're small inside, little hearts are big with pride. L is for listen, ears open wide, listen to others side by side. Listen to teachers, mom and dad, listening helps us be not bad. Good listeners learn so well, listening is magic, can you tell? L is for light, sun and glow, light helps flowers and people grow. Morning light says wake and play, night lights us speed now okay. Light brings hope and joy so bright, thank you light, both day and night. L is for line, straight or curved, drawing lines takes focus served. Make a circle, make a square, lines make pictures everywhere. Hold your pencil, try again, lines begin where art begins. L is a letter full of cheer, lovely words we learned right here. Love and lion, light and learn, so much fun at every turn. Say it loud and happily, L, 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 yay, you're learning beautifully. M is for mom, loving and kind, mom gives hugs and peace of mind. When we fall or feel so small, mom is there through it all. With gentle smile and caring way, mom makes brighter every day. M is for monkey, jump and play, swinging on trees all day. Funny faces, tail so long, clap, clap hands and sing a song. Monkey laughs and makes us smile, watching monkeys is fun a while. M is for moon, round and bright, shining softly every night. Stars come out to dance and gleam, moonlight fills us with a dream. Good night, moon, we softly say, till the sun wakes up the day. M is for milk, white and good, makes us strong just like it should. Drink it warm or drink it cold, helps us grow both young and old. Milk gives power to run and play, healthy kids grow every day. M is for music, sing and hear, sounds we love so dear. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Music makes our hearts beat. Fast or slow, loud or low, music lets our feelings flow. M is for mountain, big and tall, touching clouds above them all. Standing strong for years and years, mountains watch the world with cheers. Climb with care and look around, nature's beauty can be found. M is for mouse, tiny and quick, soft little feet, tick, tick, tick. Cheese is what the mouse loves best, running fast and taking rest. Though it's small, it's brave inside. Mouse teaches us to try with pride. M is for match, strike and glow. Fire lights up just so. But remember, kids, be wise. Matches need grown-ups' eyes. Fire is helpful, fire is bright. Use it safe, do what is right. M is for market, busy place. People shop at a happy pace. Fruits and veggies fresh and sweet. Colors dancing on the street. Hello, thank you, words we say. Market makes a fun-filled day. M is for manners, please and thanks. Good words put us in good ranks. Sorry, excuse me, help and share. Manners show how much we care. Little words so kind and neat make our world friendly and sweet. M is for morning, sun says hi. Birds are singing in the sky. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Start the day at a happy pace. Morning time is fresh and new, so many fun things to do. M is a letter full of joy for every girl and every boy. Mom and moon and music too. So many M words just for you. Say it loud and proudly. M, M, M. Learning makes us happy. N is for nature and nice. N is for night, calm and slow. Moon and stars begin to glow. The day says bye, the sky turns blue. Night brings dreams for me and you. Close your eyes and sleep so tight. Sweet dreams come every night. N is for nest, cozy and small. Birds build homes so warm for all. Twig by twig and leaf by leaf, nest is made with care and belief. Baby birds rest safely there. Nest is love and gentle care. N is for nose, smell all around. Flowers, food, what can be found? Sniff, sniff here, sniff, sniff there. Nose helps us know the air we share. Keep it clean and breathe in slow. Nose helps healthy bodies grow. N is for number 1, 2, 3. Counting things is fun, you see. 4 and 5 and 6 and more. Numbers help us learn and score. Count your toys and count your feet. Numbers make learning extra sweet. N is for nurse, caring and kind, helping people all the time. With a smile and gentle hand, nurses help us heal and stand. They work hard both day and night, making everything feel right. N is for net, strong and tight, used to catch fish just right. Fishermen throw it in the sea. Net comes back with fish, wee wee. Net also helps in games we play, like football goals. Hip hip hooray! N is for nap, short and sweet. Resting makes us feel complete. After play and after fun, nap gives energy when done. Close your eyes for just a bit. Wake up fresh and ready to fit. N is for nature, green and wide. Trees and rivers side by side. Birds and animals, big and small. Nature is a gift for all. Keep it clean and plant a tree. Nature cares for you and me. N is for name, yours and mine. Names make us special every time. Say your name both loud and proud. It's your label in the crowd. Names are precious, names are true. There's no one else the same as you. N is for new, fresh and bright. New ideas fill us with light. New day, new game, new song to sing. New hopes make our hearts go ding. Trying new things helps us grow. That's how smart kids learn, you know. N is for nice, smile and share. Being nice shows how much we care. Help a friend and say kind words. Kindness flies like happy birds. Nice kids make the world so bright, with loving hearts and joy so light. N is a letter we love to say. Night and nature lead the way. Nest and nurse and number 2. N. Great job, you. O is for open and our world. Open your eyes with joy inside. Open your book, open your mind. Open your heart, be loving and kind. When we are open, we learn and grow. So many new things we get to know. O is for owl, wise and round. Big bright eyes, no peep of sound. Hoo-hoo, says the owl at night, flying softly in moonlight. Owl loves quiet, owl loves night, teaching us to think just right. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. Round and yummy, such a treat. Peel it slowly, share a slice. Healthy fruit and very nice. Vitamin C helps us stay strong. Orange makes our bodies long. O is for ocean, big and blue. Waves go splash and fish swim through. Whales and dolphins love to play, swimming all the livelong day. Keep the ocean clean and bright, so sea friends live happy and right. O is for octopus, 8 arms long, wiggling and swimming all day long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Celdorantus, really great. Octopus hides and changes hue. Magic colors, pink and blue. O is for outside, run and play. Fresh air makes a happy day. Jump and skip and chase a ball. Outside fun is best of all. Sunshine, laughter, friends so near. Outside time brings joy and cheer. O is for oval, shape so neat, like an egg or face so sweet. Not too round and not too long. Oval shapes are fun and strong. Find ovals in things you see. Learning shapes is fun. O is for over, up and high. Birds fly over in the sky. Jump over puddles, splash, splash, splash. Careful steps, no sudden crash. Over, under, here and then there. Words like these are everywhere. O is for office, work and care. Doctors, teachers, people there, helping others do their best. Working hard, then taking rest. Every job is important too. They help the world for me and you. O is for 1, first of all. Counting starts with numbers small. 1 sun shining up so high. 1 big moon up in the sky. 1 is special, strong and true. 1 little you is wonderful too. O is for obey, listen and do. Follow rules, it's good for you. Listen to parents, teachers, kind. Good manners show a caring mind. Obeying rules helps keep us safe. Happy hearts in every place. O is for oh, when we're amazed. Oh wow, we shout with eyes all raised. O for joy and O for fun. O when something great peach and bring delight. Owl and orange, one and oh, 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 oh. Now